Alrighty, Jan. Here's a box from Viking Aircraft Engines with a new muffler that I'm going to be testing. And here's my first impression of Jan's creativity. Do not use blades to open. Ow! Alright. Damn, I really did poke myself. Yeah, that's sharp. Okay, I don't really want to touch it because let me grab a gloves here. Get all my fingerprints all over this pretty work of his. Let's keep it clean. Okay, so we have a very, man, that's nice. That is very nice. That's very, man, I'm looking forward to putting this on. And I guess that's the tip. Oh, cool. That's unexpected. I was just expecting a straight shot out. That's a pretty trick. Alright, so let's take a look at this here. Got some gaskets, got some parts for another project, and I'm guessing that's a tip that goes on there. Yeah? It's new to me. I'm learning. A really nice looking base plate, very stout, that's not going to warp on you. Nice welds. Whoever did that, Jan or your buddy, I'm guessing this is Jan's work. That looks very nice. Man, I need to get those skills. Man, that's very cool. Looking forward to seeing how it fits, how quiet it is, or noisy. Don't know. Now I am curious. This is nice, but I am a little curious though as to, and I am no welder by any means. Why didn't you do complete beads around this? Not necessary? I don't know. I'm just curious. Because the top has it. Yeah, all right. And what we got in there? Okay, what are these two little weld spots there? What did you weld inside there? Baffling or something? I like to see how this is put together, I guess. Cool. Looking forward to putting it on. I've got to put my nose gear on first, and then hopefully this weekend I'll be testing this. Looking forward to it.